Alrighty guys, we're here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and look at that. This is the Space Needle. Not the one in Seattle, but the one in Gatlinburg. So let's go take a ride in the elevators in here. Alrighty guys. Here's the elevator here at the Space Needle here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
You got y'all set up, you sit there as long as you like, so you're thank you. You're welcome.
We got a, looks like an Otis, yeah, been mounted with Dewhurst. Here we go. Here we go. This is the other elevator.
Wow, look at this.
I know, right? It's pretty impressive.
Wow, Jay. Is this pretty impressive?
Oh yes. Even though it's slow, but I'll take it for what it's worth.
You'll take it for what it's worth?
Yeah. Just interesting that there's a key. It's definitely interesting. Look at this. And here we are at the top. Here we are. There we are.
Yeah, look at this. Wow.
There's the Park Hotel over there. That's owned by the Hilton.
I'll take you around so you can film. Now I'm starting filming. Okay. You want me to push you or you got it?
I got it.
You got it?
Let's see, we're about like 200-300 feet up in the air. There's all those cars in the parking lot. You got mountains. Mountains.
James, it's pretty impressive.
It is. It definitely is. You got the history of Gatlinburg. And yeah, we're gonna be saying it, I guess. That is gonna be it for me. Then here is the other set of elevators here. This is the other elevator here. Even though it's not running, but yeah, they actually replaced this button with the Innovation. It's kind of weird. So yeah, it's gonna take 8 minutes. Alrighty guys, we are going down in this elevator here. No. Alrighty, I am going to push the ground floor. front and the rear door. Dewhurst buttons because very rare. You got an interesting shaped cab here. Nope, not buttons.
It's a pretty nice elevator.
It is. Just slow.
Oh, look at all that.
Yeah. This is the other elevator. It looks like it's been modded. It is really interesting. This one's still original, which is kind of interesting. Okay, here we are at the ground floor. So yeah, here's the other one. It's been modded with innovation stuff inside. So yeah, I guess that is going to be it for me.
Just hit the 2 to go up when it comes down. Thank you.
Alrighty guys, we're going to take a ride on the modded elevator at the Space Needle, not in Seattle, Washington, but Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I like the other one, which is a Dewhurst mod. This one has an Innovation Bruiser mod. Here it is. This is the modded car. It has windows on the doors. But there's a view. This is interesting, actually.
Careful now. Careful now. Holy shit.
What?
I forgot how high it went.
Yeah, this is a modded car. So actually, last time we rode the original one like Dewhurst. But we are riding the modded car. Here we are at 2. It's nice and smooth. It's kind of surprising. And here we are at 2. This is our nighttime view
because it ain't coming back.
of the Gatlinburg. As you can see, there's all this traffic. All of that traffic going to Peking Forge, where there are a lot more hotels options than Gatlinburg. And over there is the Park Hotel, which is owned by Hilton. This is pretty impressive, man. The Christmas lights up there too. That's pretty cool. You're right. Oh no, there's like a hole in the elevator. Dude. Look at that wonderful view up here, people. I'm taking the modded car. But yeah, look, it's very impressive up here, actually, especially at night. Yeah, still gotta wait for this thing. This is up to 8 minutes. Here it is. Only.
I know, but Kylan wanted me to do it, so I had to do it.
Biden won, it's okay.
You gotta squeeze in here.
Remember being this small on the way up?
Right, this one's smaller. Why? I'm still following. Gonna fall. I'm done.
Nice. See Innovation Bruiser buttons.
Okay, no.
It's very strange, it's no capacity plate on that thing.
Oh. How many little children parents spelled? One. Actually, that's an adult. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. A million. I could really count. Yay. Nice. Only simple word for me. Yay. I better be a daytime you could see everything too. I think they go all the way down there.
Okay, I'm gonna put you 9. No. Oh, that's wonderful. That is wonderful. High security, and we're gonna end the video here. So I guess that is gonna be it for me.